Well, hello there. It's Sunday, July 10th, and we're going to continue with our tail work here. Let's see, yesterday we got this attached. I didn't torque any of that down, so we're going to go through and do that. We're also going to work on the vertical cap. Also the horizontal tips. I know the book says you have to have the elevator on before you do those tips, but we are doing the Aerosport tips, and those are already completely cut and formed and ready to go. So we'll probably put those on. Who knows? Maybe we won't.
Rudder horn.
Rudder horn.
We have to put that on.
Yeah, we got to attach the rudder horn. And thinking about, let's see, we'll do the rudder horn and probably the cables. We'll attach all that and get that finaled up, torqued, and torque sealed back there. So, yeah, here we go. We're done for today. You're not seeing any visual progress here, but we got a few things done. Ended up having to, let's see, we torqued the bolts for the hold down bolts for the vertical stabilizer in front and back. Got those done. Had some visitors. Got to looking, started working on the tip cap. Had some visitors. Did a little more work, had some visitors. Ran into an issue though. Normally you'd take and you'd glue, super glue brass washers inside these holes here where they rivet on through that skin right there in the very front. Did that, and the first rivet we pulled, it popped the washer off behind it. So we need to come up with a different plan. So just going to just grab a little bit of trim or a spacer strip material that we had excess of. Well, that one's right on the end. I'll have to redo that. That's a little close on there. I'll adjust that. But made these trim strips to fit in here, and then I'll just do a little dab of epoxy on there. We'll glue that in, Cleco it in, clamp it. And like I said, just do a little epoxy on there and get that in, and then that will be our backing strip for riveting onto the top of the vertical there. So we'll do that, maybe come up after work one of these nights and work on that. But yeah, so like I said, not anything visual that you can see any changes on, but we did get everything. Oh, we got everything torque sealed inside, vertical stabilizer, all the nuts in there. Did get the rudder horn mounted, or not mounted, but yeah, we got that done, and the rudder cable's attached, but we don't. I've got a question on how much. How those are supposed to be tightened down. So I got to email into Rands, post it to the group, and we'll see what to get on that and go from there. So, hey, have a good evening, and thanks for watching. That's it for now.